Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best generator cord for Generac portable generators, the Generac 6330 10-foot 50-amp generator cord. If you're looking for a reliable, weather-resistant connection between your generator and your home's transfer switch or power inlet box, this product might just be the perfect solution for you. The Generac 6330 is designed with seamless power transfer in mind. It features a 10-foot length that's ideal for most home backup power setups, ensuring you can connect your generator to your transfer switch or power inlet box safely and efficiently. The cord itself is built with a heavy-duty 6-gauge, 4-wire construction, allowing it to handle generators up to 12,500 watts. One of the standout features of this cord is its construction from durable thermoset rubber. This material is weather-resistant, meaning it's tough enough to withstand harsh outdoor conditions while maintaining flexibility even in freezing temperatures. Whether you're facing rain, snow, or bitter cold, this cord keeps performing reliably without cracking or becoming brittle. The connection ends on the Generac 6330 are also thoughtfully designed. The male end comes with a NEMA configuration 14-50 plug that connects securely to your generator, while the female end uses a CS6364 twist lock connector, which ensures a solid, hassle-free connection to your transfer switch or power inlet box. This twist lock design helps prevent accidental disconnections, giving you peace of mind during power outages. This wide compatibility makes the Generac 6330 a versatile choice if you already own a Generac generator or are planning to set up a reliable backup power system. From a quality perspective, this cord is OE-listed and proudly made in the USA, reflecting Generac's commitment to manufacturing dependable power products. The product comes with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you added confidence that you're investing in something built to last. Weighing about 8 pounds and measuring 10 feet long, the cord strikes a good balance between portability and practical length. It's easy to handle and store, yet long enough to bridge the gap between your generator and home connection points without stretching or strain. Generac, as a brand, has a long history of providing reliable power solutions since 1959. The 6330 generator cord fits perfectly within their lineup of portable generator accessories designed to simplify backup power setup and usage. If you want a dependable, safe, and weatherproof cord for your 50-amp generator needs, this is a product that truly delivers on all fronts. To sum it up, the Generac 6330 10-foot 50-amp generator cord offers strong build quality, excellent weather resistance, secure twist lock connections, and broad compatibility with Generac generators and transfer switches. It's an ideal choice for homeowners looking to ensure smooth and safe power transfer during outages, especially when paired with compatible Generac equipment. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Stay powered up and prepared.